Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I haven't posted a proper vlog in almost 2 weeks, and honestly, I've been in a little lazy slump lately. So today, I thought let's just get back into doing the little things I actually enjoy. So as you all know that I can't stop collecting coffee mugs. So here's another one. I saw it on H&M app and I immediately ordered it because वहाँ पे जो भी चीज आती है like कुछ different और अच्छी बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो जाती है. So and now it is out of stock. So I'm glad that I ordered it. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा क्यूट लगा था मुझे, तो अब देखते हैं कि वो रियलिटी में कैसा है. ये तो और ज्यादा क्यूट है सामने से. मतलब कि थोड़ी सी स्पूकी वाइब्स दे रहा है काइंड ऑफ, और स्नैपचैट का इमोजी नहीं होता वैसा वैसा लग रहा है. मतलब मेरे पास ऐसे क्यूट मग्स तो काफी है पर ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट लगा मुझे, लाइक वन ऑफ अ काइंड, और बहुत ही क्यूट लग रहा है. लाइक लुक एट हिज हैंड्स एंड द शेप. एंड मुझे ऐसा था कि थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा ये, दिखने में फोटो में बड़ा लग रहा था, बट वैसे आ जाएगी मेरी कॉफी. तो दिस इज रियली क्यूट. आपको कैसा लगा बताना. आज इसी में कॉफी बनाएंगे. सो क्यूट.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same podcast, same.
I wanted to give you a guys little life update, and I realized that I have been sharing shorts and aesthetic moments a lot lately, but I haven't really talked to you. So I thought we should catch up on that. And obviously, my channel has been going through a transition too, as you know, since I from study content to lifestyle videos. So the audience is changing, and you know what? I am not upset about it anymore because, you know, I have to accept the fact that I am building something new here, which takes time to blend in. And I just want to create content that I genuinely love watching and creating. So, you know, everything is going to work out. You just have to trust the process and be consistent, which I am not. I just want to keep going and follow what my heart says and be in that routine that I love doing it. And instead of overthinking everything, overthinking is not going to solve anything. So you just have to take actions and just, you know, trust the life, I guess. सो जैसे कि मैं अभी आपको सारी चीजें बता रही हूँ, तो एक चीज और, लाइक मैंने जनवरी में मैंने इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स लिया था एंड मैंने सिर्फ 4 to 5 क्लासेस देखे, और उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया कि मैंने कोर्स भी लिया है. अभी मुझे 3-4 दिन पहले याद आया कि मुझे ये पता था कि उसका लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस है. मैंने वो किया ही नहीं कंप्लीट. आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट गोना कंटिन्यू विद दैट. लाइक अगर मैं 1 घंटा भी रोज दूं देन इट्स गुड देन नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. My motive is to be consistent. And you know what? One thing is in my wish list from last year, and I have been watching a lot of knitting videos lately, you know, as fall is around the corner. And I love fall, even though it's not possible that you can enjoy that fall vibes here, but still I can turn my room into that. I can enjoy here in my room itself. So I just want to learn something new, and I just want to make a cushion cover by myself, and you know, maybe a cardigan if I can. I am not gonna buy everything now because I just want to prove myself that I can stick to a hobby. Because क्या होता है कि मैं सारी चीजें ले लूं और फिर वो अलमारी में ही रह गई पड़ी हुई और मैंने कुछ भी स्टार्ट नहीं किया. तो आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू बी लाइक दैट, यू नो. 3-4 दिन मैंने किया शौक शौक में और फिर वो वेस्ट जा रहा है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी दैट डिसिप्लिन्ड इन दैट मैनर. मैं पूरा स्टोर खरीद लिया एंड देन यू आर जस्ट गिविंग अप ऑन एवरीथिंग. सो आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांट टू डू. We'll see how that goes. Because I promise so many things to myself and then I don't do it. Yeah, that's human nature, or that's only my nature, I don't know. And one more thing, that I just want to be regular in doing yoga or moving my body, you know, eat healthy and be more consistent with skincare and, you know, overall fitness. So I just want to be consistent in that part too. So let's see how it goes. I'm making so many promises to myself, but I'm going to try my best, I guess. So that's all about me that was happening in the last month. And there is something you want to share or you have any opinions on anything, you can just drop a comment. I'm going to reply you back. And yeah, that's it. And I'm actually feeling so good after talking to you all. I was just, you know, focusing on aesthetic part and I was not talking. So now I feel actually good. एंड मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैंने आपसे सारी चीजें शेयर करी तो मैं शायद और कंसिस्टेंट रहूं अपनी चीजों को लेके जो भी मैंने बोली है. वांट टू क्रिएट कंटेंट लाइक सो मच बट समहाउ मैं बोलती थी कल कर लूंगी कुछ शूट, बट नॉट दैट. आई शुड make a script of everything. There should be fun, whatever you do, but still there should be a planning, right? So I'm going to do that. That's all the thoughts I had in my mind to share with you all. And comment करना और share करना जो भी आपके मन में हो.
Same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you, but understanding the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small town